Hello, I'm here today to talk to you about wolf hunting. Grey wolves are hunted to extinction but have made a remarkable recovery since the 1990s when 66 wild grey wolves were once again released into a national protection park in the USA. Grey wolves have shooted up into a stunning 1,200 today, but people still hunt wolves, and is this right? No. Wolves should be left alone, unthreatened and unharmed. There are lots of other breeds of wolves that are either highly endangered or extinct, so please, help a wolf today and make a donation to give to a website or help give a voice to the wolf. Ban wolf hunting. Thank you for watching, and I hope now that you really understand how close the wolves are to my heart and probably to other people's, and how much they have to suffer. How much they have to suffer just to be able to survive. And with all these people hunting them, it must be so much harder. And for all those sick people out here there who decide to hunt wolves, you're sick, you have nothing better to do, and you're a disgrace to mankind.